Myself Dr. Rohit Kumar. Today we will discuss attribute. What is the meaning of the attribute? Attribute is a specification that define a property of an object, define the property of the entity. Each attribute can have any value from its domain. Attribute can be simple or composite, having single valued or multiple value. A student is a attribute. A student have a two attribute. First is student name, second is student address. A student name and student address is a attribute. An attribute as used in the ER model can be categorized by the following attribute type: simple and composite attribute, single valued and multiple valued attribute, and derived attribute. First of all, we will discuss simple attribute. Attribute have been simple, that is, they are not divided into subpart. That is meaning they cannot divide into subpart. This type of the attribute is simple attribute. Second is composite attribute. Composite attribute, on the other hand, can be divided into subpart. For example, an attribute name could be structured as a composite attribute consists of first name, second is middle name, and third is last name. The name divided into three subparts. First is first name, second name, third name. This type of the attribute is composite attribute. Composite attribute help us to group together related attribute, making the modeling cleaner. First of all, name divided into three parts: first name, second name, and last name. This is a composite attribute. Second attribute is address. Address divided further into subpart. First is street, city, state, postal code. Street further again divided into subpart: street number, street name, apartment number. These are the example of composite attribute: customer name and customer address. Single valued attribute. The attribute is our example. All have a single value for a particular entity. Second, for instance, the loan number attribute for a specific loan entity refer to only one loan number. An employee's social security number might be the employee's key attribute. Such attributes are said to be single valued and key attribute. Attribute represented by ellipse. Multi-valued attribute. A multi-valued attribute can have more than one value. For example, an employee entity can have multiple skill values. That is the example of multiple value attribute. Consider an employee entity set with the attribute phone number. हर किसी के पास आज की डेट में एक से ज़्यादा फोन नंबर हो सकते हैं. तो this type of the attribute is multi-valued attribute. An employee may have 0, 1 or several phone numbers. Multi-value attribute represented double line ellipse symbol. Okay. Next is drive attribute. Dotted derived attribute. This type of attribute can be divided from the value of other related attribute or entities. A derived attribute is based on another attribute. For example, an employee monthly salary is based on the employee annual salary. तो monthly salary drive होके कहाँ से आ रही है? Annual salary से. तो this type of the example is derived attribute. Derived attribute used as a ellipse or ellipse line is dotted line. This is the This is the diagram of the composite, multi-value and drive attribute. First entity is customer. Customer is a first attribute is customer ID. Second is name attribute. Third is address attribute, and next is phone number and date of birth and age. Age is a derived attribute. Phone number is a weak multi-valued attribute. Phone number is a multi-value attribute. Name is a composite attribute because name divided subpart is first name, middle name and last name. Address is a component या composite attribute, that is street, and street further divide street number, street name and apart number. That is the example of composite, multi-valued and drive attribute. Thank you.